how to change your about on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your about on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp and here you will find this one, this 3 points in top corner. Click on it and then just click settings. Now click this one, click on your profile here in the top, and after you click on it just click on your about here, and here you can change your about. All you need to do is just type any about you want and click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.